Today's video is, classic Caillou keeps making car horn noises at 3 a.m. / annoys his parents / get super duper grounded. Enjoy! Arg. I'm so bored, there's nothing I can do. What should I do? I have an idea. I will make car horn noises at 3 a.m. just to annoy my parents. Ha 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 ha. But first, I need to go to the hallway. When classic Caillou got out of his room and went to the hallway, it looks like nobody is here. I will make car horn noises many times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. www.
Not again. Who the hell is making that noises?
Oh!
I swear to God, if it's classic Caillou who is making those noises, I will ground him so much that his bald head will be thrown into his room.
Okay, what's IT? I can't take IT anymore.
Say
chew you t t t t t t t t t t t you p p p p p p p p p p p
H. OMG, Dad, can you please stop with that?
Shut the hell up. I do not care. Anyways. Classic Caillou, how freaking dare you make car horn noise 83 freaking them. We got very annoyed thanks to you. What's IT? You're grounded for 286363737289727 years. Go to your room right now, you bald cry baby head boy.
Wah. The end.